Thank you very much for joining us here this morning. Clearly, our top focus, the fate of Delhi is all set to be decided today. Counting of votes for the Delhi Assembly polls will take place shortly to decide whether the Aam Aadmi Party comes to power again or the BJP forms a government in the national capital after 27 years. Let's also tell you about the Congress, which is also looking for some gains after drawing a blank, remember, in the last two elections. Now, several exit polls have given the BJP an edge over the Aam Aadmi Party, which has been ruling in Delhi since 2015. Let's talk about Access My India, which is projecting a BJP victory, and that too in comfortable fashion. Let's tell you, as per the C Voter exit poll, the men in Delhi are propelling BJP to victory. However, when we speak about the women of the national capital, they are still backing Arvind Kejriwal and the Aam Aadmi Party. But as far as the counting process is concerned, it will begin at 8 a.m. with early trends likely to start coming in from initial hours. According to the Election Commission, let's tell you, 60.54% votes were polled on Wednesday, that is February 5th. Delhi Election Office has set up 19 centers across the city for the counting of votes. Now, a three-layer security arrangement with 10,000 police personnel, including 2 paramilitary companies per center, has been put in place for the 19 counting centers. All right, so clearly the D-Day is here. We'll have to wait and watch as far as the mandate that's been given by the people of the national capital. Which way is Delhi swinging as far as the early trends are also concerned? In a bit, it's going to begin. We have our entire team of reporters from Times Network on Ground Zero who will, of course, be keeping us ahead as far as that is concerned. You're essentially looking at very important graphics as well on your screens as far as key candidates. So that's the ultimate race. We're also showing you visuals of Manish Sisodia, the former deputy CM of the national capital, seeking divine blessings. He seemed very confident. In fact, a while ago, when one of my colleagues also did put that question forth to him, he did say that ultimately he is confident that the Aam Aadmi Party is going to be winning. So it's just a matter of time before we know if that is actually going to happen. But remember, as far as the exit polls are concerned, very interestingly, how that has panned out with, it's suggesting that the BJP will be coming to power after 27 years. So it just it's a matter of a couple of more hours before we know. Like I just mentioned, that my colleague Pulkit did have that opportunity to speak to Manish Sisodia as to what he makes on the result day. Let's listen to what Manish Sisodia had to say.
मेरी अपनी आस्था है कि भगवान की कृपा से ही ये मौके मिले हैं कि मैं दिल्ली के बच्चों की सेवा कर सकूं और आगे भी दिल्ली के लोगों की, दिल्ली के बच्चों की सेवा करना, उसी में भगवान की सेवा है। तो उसके लिए सबसे पहले जाके आज जब रिजल्ट आ रहा है तो भगवान के चरणों में ही माथा टेका है।
अच्छा, एग्जिट पोल की जो नतीजे है, हालांकि आम आदमी पार्टी मैं जानता हूं कि बहुत टाइम से एग्जिट पोल पे भरोसा नहीं करती, उससे आप कितना इधर मान रहे हैं कि क्या होगा?
देखिए, अब सब कुछ भगवान को समर्पित है। अब 4 घंटे में सब कुछ तय हो ही जाएगा, तो क्यों ज्यादा दिमाग लगाना है?
All right. Clearly, Manish Sisodia is exuding confidence at the moment. But as far as the Congress is concerned, how does Sandeep Dixit look at what's going to be essentially panning out today? Is he equally, confident? Let's find out.
काउंटिंग का दिन, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं तीनों ही पार्टी, आम आदमी पार्टी, बीजेपी और कांग्रेस कड़ी मेहनत करती हुई, क्या लगता है किस तरह के नतीजे?
अब देखिए, मैं तो अभी कहूंगा ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल द कैंडिडेट्स एंड होप द बेस्ट पार्टी एंड द बेस्ट कैंडिडेट्स विन एंड दे सर्व दिल्ली। अच्छा दिल्ली की सेवा करें, कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी की सेवा करें और सबसे अच्छा कैंडिडेट जीते।
लेकिन काउंटिंग से पहले एसीबी की भी एंट्री हो गई। आम आदमी पार्टी आरोप लगा रही है 15-15 करोड़ रुपए विधायकों को दिए।
उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है। आप जब पता ही नहीं है विधायक कौन है तो किसको आप दोगे पैसा? ये कोई ज्यादा हताशा थी आम आदमी पार्टी की, इतनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन नहीं दिखानी चाहिए। इंतजार करिए भाई, कोई पार्टी खरीदेगी भी तो उसे खरीदेगी ना जिस चुनाव जीता है। ऐसे ही थोड़ी हवा में कोई थोड़ी ऑफर कर देता है किसी को।
एग्जिट पोल लगता है कि हाँ कुछ
हो सकता है, देखते क्या होता है।
All right, my colleague Ranjita trying to get in a word from Sandeep Dixit as far as what he makes of it. he says, of course, it's going to pan out in their favor in terms of how this counting day will happen for the Congress. But remember, very interestingly, how this battle has also panned out. Even if we talk about in the run-up to the campaign, it extremely was volatile with, several issues to the forefront that was brought to the citizens. And based on that, of course, that decision was made by Delhi on February 5th. You're looking at, of course, earlier visuals from February 5th when the voting, beg your pardon, did take place. While we, of course, show you that, you're also looking at key candidates' details on your screens at the moment. One of the very interesting battles that we just saw in terms of those graphics is the New Delhi constituency. Virendra Sachdeva is speaking at the moment. Let's listen into what he has to say.
भ्रष्टाचार के खिलाफ और नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व को सलाम करेगी और आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी का बहुमत आएगा।
सर, आम आदमी पार्टी को अगर लेके बात करें तो फ्री बीज से लेके पैसा इधर से उधर करने की या बाकी चीजें भी पकड़ी गई, किस तरीके से?
देखिए, आप दो चीजें समझिएगा। इस पूरे चुनाव में अरविंद केजरीवाल मुद्दों से भागने की कोशिश कर रहे थे। हम उनसे पूछ रहे थे शराब की घोटाले की बात, वो नहीं बोलते थे। हम उनसे शीश महल पूछते थे, वो नहीं बोलते थे। हम गंदे पानी की बात करते थे, वो नहीं बोलते थे। हम सीवेज के ओवरफ्लो की बात करते थे, वो नहीं बोलते थे। हम बिजली के बढ़े हुए दामों की बात करते थे, वो नहीं बोलते थे। हमारा पूरा फोकस मुद्दों पे था। अरविंद केजरीवाल अनाप शनाप बातें करते रहे, लेकिन दिल्ली का दर्द हमने महसूस किया था और हम दिल्ली के मुद्दों पे चुनाव लड़े। इसलिए मुझे लगता है कि डेवलपमेंट एक बहुत बड़ा विषय है, भ्रष्टाचार एक बहुत बड़ा विषय है और दिल्ली की जनता ने भ्रष्टाचार से तंग आकर बदलाव के लिए वोट दिया, विकास के लिए वोट दिया।
उम्मीद करते हैं कि इस बार जो है बीजेपी सरकार बनाने जा रही है।
जी, मैं पूरी तरह से विश्वास से कह सकता हूं कि हम इस बार
All right, Virendra Sachdeva seeming very confident that the BJP, of course, will manage to cross that particular line. But the countdown has, of course, begun for how Delhi is not just swinging, in fact, how those results will pan out. Because pollsters have predicted very interesting trends. Will the exit polls actually be true remains to be seen. But you continue to see very important details on your screens as well. This is poll of polls also playing out on our screens at the moment as to what Axis My India did give. You can look at that indication of 45 to 55. In fact, for the BJP, today's Chanakya giving 45 to 57, while the JVC gave 39 to 45, and Metro is giving 35 to 40. And when you compare it to what it's looking for the Aam Aadmi Party over there, given the aspect that P Marg as well gave BJP 39 to 44. The AAP, of course, they've placed at 21 to 31 seats, while just handing the Congress 1 seat and others 0, in fact. So interesting numbers in terms of what you're looking at, but very importantly, the key candidates that's playing out on your screens. Ultimately, it is that which is going to really decide today how Delhi did vote on February 5th and how that ultimate race is going to pan out for them. Even if you're talking about the run-up to these particular polls, it has been, riddled, in fact, with several issues. So has Delhi chosen BJP or the Aam Aadmi Party, or has Congress managed to get those inroads and come back once again for them as well? It remains to be seen. Of course, we have all my colleagues on ground zero keeping us ahead, whether it's the minute-to-minute details or reactions or what this is going to look like. So in a bit, we're just going to go across to one of my colleagues who is reporting, in fact, from the Aam Aadmi Party office. They all seem very confident. We heard the reaction of Manish Sisodia as well. In fact, right after the voting day on February 5th, all the senior AAP leaders as well did state that they have faith in the citizens of Delhi. They're looking at the work that they have done, which is why they will be back in power. But the BJP, of course, does state that, at the end of the day, 10 years on ground, they believe nothing has happened. And it's the BJP that will be given a chance after 27 years. Remember, if this actually happens in BJP's favor, it will be after a very, very long time.